Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter counting and number patterns. The lessons we're going to cover today are hundreds chart, even or odd, identify numbers as even or odd, select even or odd numbers, and then even or odd numbers on number lines. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is hundreds chart. Okay, so here I am on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is counting and number patterns. Let's just start with the lesson, that is hundreds chart. Select the number that is 1 more than 22. So here you are given the hundreds chart, right? You have to understand the chart. First, you need to find 22, right? So here is 22. One more means you need to move right one square. So when you move right one square, there you have 23. So that means one more than 22 is 23. The correct option is 23, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Select the number that is 10 less than 72. So which is the correct option? 10 less than 72. First, you need to find the 72 on the chart. Here is 72. 10 less than means you have to move 1 up. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 62, right? 10 less than 72 is 62. Select the number that is 1 more than 74. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 more than 72 means you need to move 1 right. So 1 right is here is 72. When you move 1 right, that would be 75. The correct option is 75, right? Select the number that is 10 more than 58. So which is the correct option? 10 more than 58 means you need to move down, one down, right? Here is 58. When you move one down, that would be 68. So the correct option is 68, right? Select the number that is 1 more than 22. So which is the correct option? 1 more than 1 is, yes, 22 it is. The correct option is more than 123, I think. Yes, 23 it is. The correct option is 23. The next one is select the number that is 10 less than 92. Basically, the thing here you have to understand is you need to understand the chart first. That is the hundreds chart, right? Select, like, just select any number to understand this chart. For example, here you have 26. If you move one right to 26, that means you added 1 to 26. If you move one left to 26, that means you subtracted 1 from 26, that would be 25. You move up one square, that means you subtracted 10, you go back by 10. If you move down, that means you move on, like you added 10. 26 plus 10 is 36. So in a square you can move in four ways: right, left, up, and down. Right, you move, you have to add 1. If you move left, you have to subtract 1. If you move up, you have to add 1, and if you move down, you have to subtract 1, right? So the correct, that is the correct option, right? Okay, so the correct option is, I forgot the question. Select the number that is 10 less than 92. That means you have to move one up. So 10 less than 92 is 82. The correct option is 82. Select the number that is 1 less than 68. So which is the correct option? 1 less than 68 is 67. The correct option is 67. The correct option is 10 less than 47 is, yes, 37. The correct option is 37. Select the number that is 1 more than 42. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 43, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is even or odd. Okay, is the number of heart even or odd? So let's just understand what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers. Even numbers are the one that can be easily divided by 2, right? They are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. They are the even numbers, right? Or simply you can say these are the numbers you can count in the table of 2. Then the numbers that are not divisible by 2 are the odd numbers. They are 1, 5, 7, or and 9. They are the odd numbers, right? One more thing, if you have two digit number or three digit number, you have to see the last digit, the ones digit only. If the ones digit is, that is the divisibility test for even or odd number, right? If the ones digit is divisible by 2, that means the number is divisible by 2, otherwise the number is not divisible by 2. So 119 is not divisible by 2, right? The same time, 45 minutes. Why, is there anything special? So is the number of hearts even or odd? You have only one heart, right? So that means that they are, one is an even number, right? Sorry, one is an odd number, so that means they are odd. The correct option is odd. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Is the number of circles even or odd? So let's just count the circles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles, right? So 8 is an even number, so the correct option is even. That means the circles are even. The correct option is even. Is the number of circles even or odd? So two circles, right? So that means 2 is an even number. The correct option is even. Is the number of diamonds even or odd? There are 5 diamonds and 5 is an odd number. The correct option is odd. Very good. Is the number of diamonds even or odd? Which is the correct option? Odd it is. 1 is an odd number. So odd. Is the number of diamonds even or odd? So, is the number of hearts even or even? It is. The correct option is even. Is the number of hearts even or odd, which is the correct option? They are even. The correct option is even. Sorry, odd, not even. Is the number of circles even or odd, which is the correct option? The correct option is odd, it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is identify numbers as even or odd. Is 54 an even or odd? So, like I have already explained the even or odd numbers. So, even numbers are the ones that can be divisible by 2. If a number is even, it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? That means the if the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, that means the number is an even number, right? And if it is odd, if it ends up with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, right? So let's just start with the practice questions. The first one is 54, right? So just look at the very first number of the 54. The first digit of the 54 is an even number, like 4. 4 is an even number. So that means 54 is an even number. The correct option is even, right? So let's just start with the test questions, right? Is 4 an even or odd number, which is the correct option? 4 is an even number. The correct option is even. 4 is an even number. Is 1 even or odd, which is the correct option? 1 is an odd number. The correct option is odd. Is 5 even or odd? Five is an odd number. The correct option is odd. Is 3 even or odd? So 3 is an odd number. The correct option is odd. Is 8 even or odd? Eight is an even number. The correct option is even. Is 7 even or odd? 7 is an odd number. The correct option is odd. Is 2 even or odd? 'Even' it is. The correct option is even. Is 9 even or odd? 9 is an odd number. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is select even or odd number. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? So that means you are given more than one pair, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which of the following pair of numbers are even? Pair of numbers are even mean both the numbers must be even. So which is the correct option? The correct option is both the numbers must be even, right? So they are 6 and 8. Here 2 is even but 3 is not even, right? So 2, 6 and 8 is the correct option. Which of the following pair of numbers are even? So which is the correct option? Even. 4 and 8 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? So which is the correct option? Like both the numbers must be odd. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one. 7 and 9 are the odd numbers, right? Okay, I forgot to click. Which of the following pair of numbers are even? So which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. Option number 3 is the correct option. 46 and 80 both are even numbers. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's option number 3. 5 and 1, they both are the odd numbers, right? Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? Which is the correct option? The correct option is pair of numbers that are odd. That's option number 4 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is which no even or odd numbers on number lines. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions because we already know about even or odd numbers. Select the even numbers on the number line. So you have to select the even numbers that are on the number line. So which is the correct option? They are even 10, 12, 14, and 16. They are the even numbers. 10, 12, 14, and 16 is the correct option. They are the even numbers on the number line, right? Select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd on the number line? The correct option is 3, 5, and 7 is the correct option. Select the even number on the number line. Even numbers. They are 9, 11, 13, and 15 is missing, right? The correct option is 9, 11, and 13. Oh, sorry, even numbers it is. 10, 12, and 14 are the even numbers, right? Okay, got it. Select the odd numbers on the number line. So, which is the correct option? Odd numbers on the number line are the second option is the correct option. 13, 15, 17, and 19 is the correct option. Select the odd numbers on the number line. So, which is the correct option? They are 3, 5, 7, and 9 is the correct option. Select the even numbers on the number line. So, which is the correct option? They are 6, 8, 10, and 12 is the correct option. Select the odd numbers on the number line. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is odd numbers are 9, 11, and 13. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is counting and number patterns. The lessons we have covered today are 100 chart, even or odd, identify numbers as even or odd, select even or odd numbers, and even or odd numbers on number line. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.